Hello, now we are going to see the concept of supply. सप्लाई दो प्रकार के होते हैं, मार्केट सप्लाई एंड इंडिविजुअल सप्लाई. Individual supply refers to the quantity of a commodity that an individual firm is willingly and able to offer for sale at each possible price during a given period of time. And market supply, it refers to quantity of a commodity that all the firm are willingly and able to offer for sale at each possible price during a given period of time. The supply of the supply curve of a firm shows the quantity polluted on x-axis and the firm whose the produce corresponding to two different prices in the market polluted on y-axis. Now we have supply schedule. सप्लाई शेड्यूल सप्लाई का एक टेबल के द्वारा रिप्रेजेंट होता है. सप्लाई शेड्यूल refers to the table which shows various quantity of a commodity that a producer is willingly to sell at different price during a given period of time. Now, supply as totally determinant state of technology, input price, and government taxation policy. Now, the law of supply. Law of supply stated that there is direct relationship between price and quantity supplied, keeping other factor constant. जैसे कि हमने डिमांड के चैप्टर में पढ़ा कि प्राइस और डिमांड के बीच में इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप है, लेकिन यहाँ पे प्राइस और सप्लाई के बीच में डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप. Moving along the supply curve, it occurs when quantity supplied changes due to the change in price, keeping other factor constant. सप्लाई तब चेंज होती है जब प्राइस चेंज होता है. Shifting supply, it occurs when supply changes due to the other factor change other than price. जब प्राइस को छोड़ के दूसरे फैक्टर चेंज होते हैं सप्लाई के साथ, तो शिफ्ट इन सप्लाई. Lesion positivity in supply, change in the price of other goods, change in the price of factor of production, change in the state of technology, change in taxation policy. Expansion of supply, it occurs when quantity supply rises due to the increased price, keeping other factor constant. जैसे प्राइस इंक्रीज होता है वैसे सप्लाई हमारी इंक्रीज होती है, इसे एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सप्लाई बोलते हैं. Contraction of supply, it means fall in the quantity supplied due to the fall in the price other factor constant. जैसे प्राइस फॉल होता है, सप्लाई उसके साथ फॉल होती है, को कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ सप्लाई कहा जाता है. Increasing supply, it refers to rise in supply of a community due to the favorable change in other factors at the same price. Increasing supply, जब सप्लाई इंक्रीज होती है, अदर फैक्टर चेंज होने की वजह से. Decreasing supply, it refers to fall in the supply of a community due to the unfavorable change in the factor at the same price. जब सप्लाई में फॉल होता है ड्यू टू द चेंज इन द अदर फैक्टर, तो वो डिक्रीज इन सप्लाई. Price elasticity of supply, the price elasticity of supply of goods measure the responsiveness of quantity supplied to change in the price of goods. Change in price divided by change in quantity is price elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of supply is equal to change in quantity supplied divided by change in price. जो मेटलिकल मेटल